हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब? Whenever you go out, just put your mask on and stay safe and stay healthy at home. In this video, I'll be dealing with the topic the noun and its kinds. Without wasting time, let's start. First of all, what are nouns? Okay, words used as names of person, place, animal, things. Okay, the words यूज्ड एज नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन. कोई भी वर्ड जिसको हम लोग एज अ नेम ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस या एनिमल या थिंग यूज करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं नाउन्स. एग्जाम्पल, निपुन इज ब्यूटिफुल. हियर द वर्ड निपुन, दिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, name of a person. Okay, so this will be a proper noun. This is a noun over here. Now there are total 6 kinds of nouns which we all generally come across through. Okay, let's see them one by one. What are they? Now the first kind, proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Names of a particular person, place, animal or a thing. किसी भी जगह का, किसी भी इंसान का या किसी भी जानवर का या किसी भी चीज़ का एक पर्टिकुलर नाम होना. इन जनरल नहीं बात करना. जैसे अगर हम लोग बोलें कि कोलकाता इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल सिटी, तो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विच सिटी? कोलकाता. दैट इट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल सिटी. सो दिस विल बी अ प्रॉपर नाउन, क्योंकि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर सिटी, दैट इज़ कोलकाता. हम लोग कोलकाता के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो हो गया हमारा प्रॉपर नाउन. हम लोग सिर्फ सिटी तो नहीं ना लिखे हैं, दिस सिटी इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. कोलकाता लिखे हैं तो कोलकाता एक पर्टिकुलर सिटी का नाम है और कोई सिटी का तो नाम नहीं है, इसलिए दिस विल बी अ प्रॉपर नाउन. नेक्स्ट, टॉमी इज़ माई पेट डॉग. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टॉमी विच इज़ माई पेट डॉग. So we are talking about a particular animal. So this will be the proper noun. The second type, common noun. Names given in common. किसी भी चीज़ को हम लोग जो common in common बोलते हैं, जैसे girls, boys, flowers, animals, टेबल, चेयर, ये सब कॉमन है ना, इसका एक पर्टिकुलर नाम तो नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बॉयज़ आर प्लेइंग. यहाँ पे बॉयज़ आर बॉयज़. दिस बॉयज़ वर्ड इज आवर कॉमन नाउन. वाई? Because we are taking it in general. We are not talking about a particular boy. We are not specifying a name over here. So it is a common noun. Cow is in the shed. Cow. This will be a common noun. We are talking about the cows, not talking about a particular cow. The table is square in shape. Here the table is our common noun. Why we are talking about the any table. It can be any table which is in the shed, which is square in shape. Sorry. Okay, so we are taking all these words in general in common. So this will be a common noun. Names given in common and general. The third kind, collective noun. Name of number of person, animals, things taken together in collection or in groups. Okay, now how? If I talk about like flowers, if I have 10 flowers, I won't say to everyone that I have 10 flowers, I have 10 flowers. What I'll say is I have a bouquet of flowers. ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि किसी भी चीज़ को जब हम लोग इन ग्रुप्स लेते हैं, लार्ज नंबर में लेते हैं, ये नहीं कि 2 ले लिए, कम से कम it can be more than 5, more than 10, but it should be in groups, and so that group are termed by a specific name that is written over here: army, crowd, swarm, bunch, etc. We can say herd of cattle. There are many cows grazing, many sheep grazing. We will say them, they are herd of cattle. Then army of soldiers. We won't say ना कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे soldiers खड़े हैं. We will say that there are army of soldiers. Crowd of people. Swarm of flies. Okay. Bunch of keys. We won't say that I am having 20 keys. I'll say I have a bunch of key. Okay, so this is a collective noun. The fourth kind now, abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? Name of quality expressing of feelings. Okay, names of quality. It shows us the quality, that how a person or a thing or a place or an animal is. It expresses our feelings. Okay, example, we love honesty. What do we love? We love honesty. This is abstract noun. Honesty. The man is brave. How is the man? He is brave. So this will be an abstract noun. There are more words like this. Example, many examples can be taken, like beautiful, then goodness, kind, kindness. All these things are abstract nouns which show our qualities, express our feelings. The fifth kind, countable nouns. What are these? Things which can be counted. जो भी चीज़ हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं वो सारा काउंटेबल नाउन्स होता है. लाइक बुक, पेन, पेपर, सिस्टर, एग, देन टेबल, चेयर, boys, men, women, all these things which can be counted are known as countable nouns. Now, the sixth kind, that is uncountable nouns. Things which cannot be counted, जिसको हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, कोई पॉसिबल मेजर नहीं है उसको काउंट करने का. राइस, मिल्क, वाटर, हेयर, sugar, gold, honesty, etc. These cannot be measured. Counted. How? Milk. Can we say milks? I am getting 2 milks, I am getting 3 milks. We cannot say, na. I am getting 3 rice, I am getting 4 rice. I am getting 1 sugar, I am getting 10 sugars. I am getting 1 gold. We cannot say that. I am getting 3 honesty, I am getting 4 honesty. We cannot say that. So these are uncountables now, जिसको हम लोग count नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay? Hope you all understood this video.